Hi, I'm Russ Balberona, and today I've got the new Fisher F19. I'm going to explain the features and the functions of this machine. The F19 from Fisher Research Labs sets a new benchmark for relic hunting metal detectors. The F19 has been custom designed to be the most technologically advanced relic hunting machine on the market. With the F19's FE tone, new and enhanced adjustable V-brake tone discrimination system, adjustable notch width, and display backlight feature, the F19 easily conquers what once was unthinkable. A 3-segment battery indicator at the top left of the display indicates the battery condition. The F19 requires a single 9-volt alkaline battery. Do not use ordinary zinc-carbon batteries or heavy-duty batteries. Rechargeable batteries can also be used. If you wish to use rechargeable batteries, we recommend using a nickel metal hydrate rechargeable battery. The battery is located on the back side of the housing. Slide the battery door to the side and remove it to expose the battery compartment. You can expect about 15 to 20 hours of life from a 9-volt alkaline battery and approximately 8 hours of usage from rechargeable batteries per charge. The F19 comes with a built-in speaker and 1/4-inch headphone jack. Using headphones will prolong battery life. Turn the knob clockwise to turn the F19 on. Continued clockwise rotation will increase sensitivity in the discrimination mode, or gain in the all-metal mode. In discrimination mode, the plus and minus keys will increase or decrease the discrimination from 0 to 80. In all-metal mode, they will increase or decrease the ground balance setting from 0 to 99.9. Turn the knob clockwise to enter all-metal mode. Continued rotation will increase the threshold from -40 to 40. Turn the knob counterclockwise to enter discrimination mode. In discrimination mode, press the menu button to highlight the light bulb in the upper right-hand portion of the screen. Use the plus or minus keys to adjust the backlight setting from 0 to 5. Press the menu button to highlight volume. Use the plus and minus keys to adjust the volume setting. The F19's volume range runs from 1 to 20. With a volume setting of 1 to 9, ferrous and non-ferrous volume settings are equal. At a volume setting of 10, the iron volume setting is at 0, while all non-ferrous targets are set to max. Volume settings of 11 through 20 will incrementally increase only the ferrous target's volume, while keeping the non-ferrous target volume at max. To adjust your V-brake settings, you must be in discrimination mode. Highlight V-brake by pushing the menu button. Once V-brake is highlighted, use your plus or minus keys to adjust your V-brake settings. With most machines, the notch is a fixed category notch system, forcing you to knock out entire blocks. With the F19, you can set the notch width to almost any span. Fe304 iron oxide scale to the left of the display indicates the amount of ground mineralization. While in discrimination mode, this bar graph reverts to target depth. Ground phase indicates the types of minerals in the soil. Within an area, the ground phase may change. After ground balancing, periodically compare ground phase to ground balance. If these two numbers differ by a great deal, you may want to ground balance the detector again. The arc across the top classifies metal objects. Each time a target is detected, 3 segments will illuminate above the arc. The segments will remain illuminated for 3 seconds. This indication shows the approximate classification of the buried metal object. Iron resides on the left of the scale. US dimes and quarters are to the far right. And in air tests, gold indicates just right of center. 3 segments will simultaneously appear above the arc at the top of the screen. This represents the same target identification, but displayed graphically within the scale. This display works the same as in the all-metal mode. The arc across the top classifies metal objects. Each time a target is detected, 3 segments will illuminate above the arc. The segments will remain illuminated for 3 seconds. Each time a target is detected, bars will illuminate on the bottom left, showing the strength of the target signal. If all 7 bars illuminate, the target signal is strong. This may be a large metal object, or it may be a coin-sized metal object close to the surface. If only a few bars eliminate, the target signal is weak. This may be a deeply buried object, even a big one, or it may be a very, very small metal object close to the surface. The depth of a coin-sized object can be confirmed using pinpoint. Press and hold the pinpoint button to narrow down the location of a buried metal object. Pinpoint is a mode of detection which does not require the search coil to be in motion. A motionless search coil held over a metal object will induce a hum. Volume and pitch of the hum increase with target strength. The approximate target depth will be indicated in the center of the screen. In inches, the depth scale is calibrated to a coin-sized object. Make sure you're in the all-metal mode and perform the automatic ground balancing procedure. First, set the threshold so you can just hear it. This is usually about +8 to +12. Ensure you're over clean ground with no metal. Press and hold the ground grab computerized ground balancing button while pumping the search coil up and down over the ground. Release the button when the sounds in the ground phase and ground balance numbers equal out. The ground balance number on the bottom right of the screen is the detector's internal settings, which cancels out the minerals in the ground. Different soils in different areas will require different ground balance settings, so balance to the ground before you search. By watching the ground balance and ground phase numbers, the user can tell when ground conditions are changing. The machine operates best when these two numbers are closer to each other, so rebalance when they vary by 10 points or more. This is an all-around amazingly versatile machine. It'll handle almost any environment. It'll take care of any detecting needs you have. Well, I hope this video was informative and answered any questions you might have about the F19.